How to make your account public on TikTok. Now hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account public on TikTok. Now first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines here and then click privacy, and once you're here all you need to do just disable private account and click switch, and that's it. Just click switch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.